If you have used a dual boot PC or laptop, you might have noticed that the time zone is different from one to another. It means you will face some time difference between those distros. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue of time conflict between two operating systems dual booted in your machine. So log into Windows and open registry editor through run, then navigate to Husky local machine and system. Inside system, navigate to current control set, then expand it, then click on control, expand it, and search for time zone information. Click on it, and from the right side you can see white space is there. Right click on there and create a new DWRD 32-bit and rename it as real time is universal. It is case sensitive, so be careful on spelling. Then after rename, set a value to 0 to 1. So double click on it and set the value, then click on OK. Now restart your PC, and after restart you can see there is no time difference between two operating systems. So hope I have resolved this issue. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.